Purple, I have a question.
OK, Red, ask away.
We've discovered how to mix to make orange and green and purple and light and dark colours and grey too. But what about me?
You?
Yes. How do you mix the colour red?
And me. How do you mix blue?
Oh, I really don't know.
We do!
It's the printing crew!
That's right. Cyan!
Magenta?
Yellow and black. We know how to mix lots and lots of colours.
Including red.
And blue. Colour mixing colours with the printing crew. We can mix up lots and lots. We'll show you that it's true.
Let's take some magenta.
And yellow, such a bright thing. Give it a stir and see what's there.
It's red! Ha! Exciting! Let's get racing with cyan!
Zoom in, magenta too. We'll mix the lot, what have we got?
You've made the colour blue. Cool.
I know blue and yellow can make green, but can the printing crew mix it?
If we take some yellow
And a touch of cyan!
stir them round, what have we found?
It's green, just like I am!
Wow, we can make lots of colours.
And we can make even more!
You've watched our colour mixing. We've put on quite a show. Now it's your turn to mix it up. Go on, give